Here's how to change Adobe Acrobat default page settings. Go to your Adobe Acrobat and click on Edit and click on Preferences. And here you have to select Page Display. And now from here you can easily go ahead and change your Adobe Acrobat default settings. So here we can see default layout and zoom page layout. Selected automatic. If you want, you can select any other option from here, and here also you can change your default layout, and you can also change your default zoom from here. And here we can see the resolution section. You can change your Adobe Acrobat resolution, and here we can see the rendering default settings section. From here you can change your smooth text. So go ahead and adjust these settings from here. Also from here, page content and information, you can enable or disable show large images, use smooth zooming, and show or trim and blade boxes. And default transparency blending color space, you can select working CMYK, or you can select working RGB. And after changing, go ahead and click on OK, and your Adobe Acrobat default settings will be updated.